Okay, this is the battery pack from the Nuki Smart Lock, and as you see, I have marked the poles of the rechargeable batteries, which I will now replace, and I also have marked it here on top of that cap. And here you see as well are those minus and plus marks in the cap itself. Here you have an arrow, so indicating where you have to place it, in which direction you have to place it. So anyway, we will unscrew that tiny screw in there. So that takes a few seconds. And after that, I'm able to dismount to pull out those batteries. So be careful here. So here the screw goes, because there's a very short cable in there. So you could only lift it a little bit and then pull out that battery that way. So it's the first one, and then the left one on the left side you pull out over the same place of the right one, that way. And as you see, there is that black and red cable there for the plus and minus connection, and then you are able to move that very carefully down that way, and then it's very easy to pull out the other old batteries. So here we go. So now we have all 4 batteries out of the battery pack, and here are the new ones. So I bought rechargeable batteries with 2500 milliamps, so that should work perfectly. So now I'm opening that pack here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I have to place them in the battery pack again. So there's a plus pole, so that one goes in that direction. So be careful with the cable there, so that it slides in. That one goes in the battery pack that direction. Then I have to move that over carefully. So I hope that will work. So here we go. And then we have to place in the other one again over the slot of the right one. So that way, snap it in. Here we go. Looks good. And that one with the minus pole above goes in that way. So we have to lift it a little bit. So here we go. Yeah, looks good. Then again, we have to screw into that. And now it's finished, I would say. Looks good. So everything is in place. So we have plus plus, we have here minus minus. So again, here we have that plus and plus, and here we have minus and minus. So now the replacement is finished, and hopefully the lock will work again. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like my channel, so feel free to subscribe it and to like the short video here. Thank you very much.